Well, there it is. 2003 Honda Civic. So we're gonna take this apart, check the damage. It is dripping coolant down there. You can see that. We're able to drive it home about 5 miles. Push the whole hood up. Just bent the hinge. I'm gonna try and loosen up these right here and see if I can get the hood off. See the damage. From what I can tell, though, the core support is bent. Oh, you can't see nothing in there, can you? Let's get you some light. The core support's pretty bent up. Bent up pretty good. You know, I priced all the parts, and I figure I'm at about $450. Hood, grill, fascia. This bar right here, condenser, a new condenser, and new radiator. I figure about $450. So we're gonna see if we can do that, or even if it's gonna be worth it. So we're gonna start taking it apart here and see what we can see. Get in there with a special tool. Yeah, it's special. Alright, got the hood off. So what was making it not work was this deal right here wasn't in its groove like it's supposed to be. So once I got the hood back and up, I just did that and popped it off. So looking at damage here, this core support, it's definitely bent back. My first impression was like, oh, we could just pull it out a little bit, make everything line up again, but you can see here, it is bent up here as well. So, I mean, I'd have to, I don't know, I'm not a collision repair person, so don't take advice from me. I'm just doing this myself here. Here's the other part that's bent up. So it tweaked up both. Look at that. Twisted. 2 up top. Guess how many are on the bottom? I just feel 1. Oh, where you at? Where you hiding? Right there? What is that? And just like that. I don't know what you call it. Bumper. The real bumper is off. I think took a hit. Look at that. Just, oh well. It's pretty weak. That's for sure. And ain't even that heavy. Well, these look straight. That is key to getting everything up here lined up. Let's get that out of the way. Let's take off this condenser. It's good scrap right there. See what happens here. Oh no. There she goes. I always save these, right? I mean, these are for when you service your rear end on your vehicle and you get differential fluid. Why cut off every single one? Just reuse the one you just cut when you need more than one cord or whatever. And so I save these, and obviously what I'm going to do here is I'm going to take that off. I'm going to shove this in there, and it will plug that for me. And it was free. And I just keep them in something like this, you know, and then it just helps. Just little things like that that keep your garage from costing you too much money. All right. Okay, so we twist her a little bit. She's a little bit loose. We get our plug ready. This could get messy, folks. Hold on to your butts.
Hold on to your butts.
There you go. And I mean, it might drip a little bit, but the whole transmission isn't gonna come out. So we're just gonna slide this back up. Alright. Okay. Alright, it's twisted. We got our free plug. Oh yeah. Just like that. And then we'll put him. Let's clip back on here. We'll just hook this back up. New hinges, new hood, and see if we can get this part to align and see if we can get it to align on the fenders, and it should be fine. And then radiator, and see if we can fix that fan. This one's fine, I think. So far, and here's the problem with this one. It's hitting right here. It's hitting both of these. So I mean, you could fix it with a larger washer on this side of it. So we might be able to pull this off, put a larger washer there, and it'll be fine. All right, I think as long as I get that straight, it'll be good. Well, that's it for the dismantling and figuring out what all needs to be fixed on this car. So check out my next video and I'll put it all back together. I'll show you all the parts I got and whether or not I was able to stay on my budget of what I originally thought of $450. I have all my parts except for one, and I will show you which one in the next video. So hit that like button and subscribe and stay tuned. Later.